Yeah. So hello everyone, my name is Viraj and I'm currently pursuing BTech ICT in fourth semester Marwar University. So in subject of probability and statistics, today I'm going to explore the tool Power BI. So in which I'm preparing this tutorial, the tool named Power BI. So Power BI desktop. Why I have chosen this tool? So yes, there are loads of tools are available in the market. So the unique the uniqueness of this tool is that it is a unified self-service and enterprise analytic tool. So from which like we can able to self-identify any of the problem. Like if you want to analyze anything or something, then we can easily able to analyze with the help of this tool easily, and it is very reliable to use. Like it is very user friendly. So just like the Microsoft, if you're user friendly with the Microsoft Office, then you can easily able to work with this tool. And the next is that it will be accelerate the big data with the online platform. So there are lots of online platform available, like from which you can able to uh, okay, let me just move with the tool, then you can get to know that you can see it live and you can get to know more idea clearly. So let's explore the tool. Yeah, I had given the link here. If anyone wants to download, then you can easily download it from here. And like the basic requirement is the Internet Explorer version 9 RTM or more than that. It can be easily done. And in Windows 7, like you need the you need to satisfy the DLL files. So otherwise, it is not going to run in that. Yeah. So our VA desktop is ready here. So this is the first window. Means if you are going to open it for the first time, and if you are beginner, then you are going to get the data. So here there are four options available, like import data from the Excel, import data from SQL Server, paste the data into blank table, and try a data sample sheet. So if you are having a Excel data sheet available readily, then you can choose this option. Otherwise, also the goodness of this tool is directly you can import the SQL Server data. Means if you are running a website, and you are of course you are having a database, and you are storing the data of your for example you are uh, let me take the example of Amazon. If Amazon is there, and if you want to count the data of the Amazon, if you want to calculate each and every data, then you can directly connect the database here and you can get the data easily. Or else, if you're solving the sums or anything that you want to just confirm or verify it, then you can directly enter the data into this table. So right now here we are going with its simple data source. Yeah. So as you can see here, the option available here is a lot. You can see there are plenty of options available. So you are not going to miss any of the platform. Like anyhow, you can get any of the platform here. As you can see, the Google Analytics is there. A lot. Azure is there. IBM is there. Or you can directly import the stuff here easily. So these all are the options available. So here we are going through the samples. So if you are a beginner and you want to move in a processed way, or you can say move in sequential manner, then you can go for an online tutorial. Otherwise, we are simply loading the data. Yeah. So here we load the data, and the tool is used. So if you are having a good specification of the computer, then it is going to work better. Yeah. So here we are having the two data. The first one is financial, and the second one is it's also the seat, you can call it. So here we are going to take financial first one. See, here also there are two options available: transform data and load data. So let me first move to the transform data. So as you can see here, there are two windows available. So as you can see here, a new window is open here. So here you can have, means you can say the kitchen of Power BI is here. So everything that you can manage of your data is here. Text analytics, vision, Azure machine learning. Yeah, you can apply the machine learning methods here. AI inside means you are not going to do any of the task by your own. If you want to use the data automatically, means with the help of AI and machine learning, you can sure go with this. And new sources available, close and apply, recent enter data. Yeah, you can enter the manually data here with this enter data. Manage. So yeah, you can manage, delete, duplicate reference from any of the row and column if you want to change it or anything. Here is the transform. So run R script, run Python script if you want to run your own Python script. Like for example, we are following the methods of like for method we are going to do the Python script. So you can easily run it here. You can upload your code and you can check the data here. So parallelly you can check it. Here is the add column option. So you just check the functionality of this tool. Why this tool is most useful nowadays. And this tool is made the name in the industry of this data analytics. So it's the most helpful tool. Yeah. So right now we are not going with this option, means we are not going to alter or change the data. We are just moving with the data available. We didn't say anything, so right now just we are applying this. Yeah, so data is loading. As I already mentioned that it will load your system if you are having a very low specification of your PC. Okay, I think so data is loaded. Yeah. So how you can get to know the data is loaded? Here in the field side, you can get to know. Yeah. So the tables and everything that are contained is here, as you can see. So yeah, from manually you can also get the data from here. Power BI data flow, data server. Here you will get the more option. Yeah, it's still loading. Yeah. So as the earlier process as we have gone through, this is the same. We are not going to read that right now. So we had already with this data. From here, there are also new pages, new visual. Like so now, how we are going to work with our data? So it's very simple. Like tree. No, no, we are not just going. I'm just checking it. Okay. So here we are having the visualization, means the graph, take bar graph, bar charts, take the column chart, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, 100% stack bar chart, scatter chart, pie chart, donut chart, line chart, funnel, field, one of the card. Yeah, card is very useful in the term of correlation coefficient, means to find that we are going to use this card table slicer. So if you want to use the data, means if you want to show the data, like for example, we are going to make the data for like country versus, yeah, as you can see here, the country is loading. So here, this is the option available for the focus mode. Yeah. So here, as you can find this, a small dot country called Canada is located here, the United States of America and France. And the next we are going to compare with the product. Yeah. So you can see the products are here. Doctor Montana Vista value. Yes. So Canada Amarilla is the product, and here France is also Amarilla. Means the product is there. Let me from back to report. We are going to that. Yeah. So this is our first, and if you start from the table, where is the table? In this one. Yeah. So as you can see, let me add here. So over there, there was an option called map. I don't know where it's called. Like there is an option available called map. It's not available. Yeah, yeah, the same that we had already worked with. So I think the drag and drop option is also available. Yeah, as also you can move here from show stable. So you can, yeah, so see, as you can see here, you can get the details, which product is belonging to which country, means you can get the full details from here. So back to report. So this was the first, and let me first explore the tool step by step. Now as you can see, we had already loaded the data, and our data is, it's compared to what we are calculating in terms of subject. This is we can call the real-time data. Means if you're going to work in industry, then this is called the real-time data. And here some of the, means we can say the linkage type of a property it is available. Means if you want to correlate the data, means from one country to another country, what is the sale of the country, then you can easily relate with this. So this was open here available, and yeah, let's move with another one. Yeah, so this is our table. Yeah, in management table right now. Because it is not working, means it is not, it's working, but it is not available with this graph. And let we go with, yeah, sorry for the interruption, like my PC was couldn't remember, and I need to restart the PC. So yeah, I'm back here, and like we are here with the data. First we are going to map, and here there are the visualization option available. So like if you want to add the more, like here we are having the only the limited visualization. So if you want to more, then you can easily get it to get more visuals, and from here get more visuals, import a visual from file, remove. So right now you can get more visuals from the Microsoft Store, and you can edit it if you want extra extra visualization so for your analytics. So you can do it very easily. So let's go with another one called, let's try with the pie chart. Yeah, let's put it here, and we're going to make it the city, and product category with think it is the more, you can go with the profit, what is the profit now we know. Yeah, so you can see that what time it took to get the data. It's very less than taken by the software. Yeah, as you can see, we are having the whole calculation. Yeah, see, it is the Washington product category, office supplies, and the profit right now we are getting it 2.7%, 2.07%. So this is how we can able to calculate, and in the real scenario, this is the same method that they are applying. So this is how the pie chart works, and from here you can, yeah, here also the more analytics tools are available. If you want to apply, you can search. Yeah, these are the colors of the data, means how you can go and change the color. Yeah, so you can see the colors of the country according to your requirement. You can set it, and nothing more than that. Just the colors and other options are also available. But like, let us first finish the basic task of here, then you can move further. Yeah, so here are the filters. Like if you want to filter the page, then you can. Let's move with another. Let's try with We can go with the table right here. So table is easily available. Uh, yeah, basically we have written the table with the city, we compared with the city, and we've gone with the product category and profit, I guess. Yes. So here the data that we have shown in the pie chart is the same in the table. So frequency table, like you can call we have already studied. So this one is the data which is represented in the table. Let's move with the further donut chart, not pre-made. Mm, let me first finish the basic means what we had studied that we are going to implement. Then we will move on to the some new exploration. City. First we will go with the basic criteria. Means comparing with that, we will easily get to know how the tool is used to which one profit. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the profit by city and product category floating. Here it is written, you can see the title, profit by city and the product category. So here you can get the, yeah, so here you can get the New York City is right now getting the furniture office supply in technology. The profit amount is, you can see here, it is mentioned here around 2K or 4K. Yeah, so this was a very huge data. Now let's move the another one. We'll be going with the column chart. This bar chart, this bar chart, column chart. Let me try the column chart. City, product category, and the profit. Yes. So these all are the different ways that we can able to analyze our data. Yeah, as you can see here, the trend is gradually decreasing. So the highest earning city was Washington. Yeah, its earning means the profit is almost more than 10K. So it's a huge profit, and you can see how easily you can able to analyze the data. Okay, let's go with streamer. Let's try. Means I think the streamer I didn't try, but let's check how it works. Like it's a part of exploration. Then city, I can confirm. Yeah, it's okay. And we are going to product category and the profit. Oh, this is the thing. Oh, I don't know about this, but it worked well. We don't know how actually we are analyzing with this type of map. So leave it here. Line and left to start. Let me go with this. Category. Yes, it was selected product category and the profit. Yeah. Yeah, so it is reflected here easily as you can see. Yeah, so this was just the same, but one thing here we are in, let me see that what is the, yeah, see here we can remove the x-axis. You can have some of the filters from here, float area, transparency. You can set, you can change everything, whatever you want, you can do it with this tool. This is it is the power of this tool. Get it to the report. Yeah, now the, how we are going to calculate the scatter plot, and yeah, here it is scatter plot. go with oh, so it's no stress. Uh, see this more here. No issue. Let me take the new sheet and we can build it here. I have tried this, so definitely it will going to work. So let's net it again. Yeah, and it works here. So here we are having the two pages, means one page is full, like we have tested everything. Yeah, as you can see, this is loading right now here. Okay, okay, let's move on. Here, city, city, product category, and profit. So, let me work it on this. Yeah, you can also manually edit the bar chart like this. You can go and put it, drag and drop option is available. Yeah, that is what I need to say. And from here to category, easily drop the category, and at last the profit. That is the profit right here. So yeah, as you can see, it is plotted. Let me finish. So you can see the profit versus here you can see the profit by city and the product category. So it is mentioned, and here some of the analytic tools. Here as you can see average line, you can edit. You can see the average ratio is 0. That means here most of here they are not having the most. Average of the country is stood here in the 0 profit, and if we apply some more, let me change the color from here. It's loading too much. Next time to load. Maybe it's in the number. Okay, so maximum is 10K. Yes, you can see here. I don't. Yeah, color is changed right now. Yeah. So yeah, so you can see the profit line is changed, and don't think color is reflected. Okay, so it's overridden. That's why it's not visible. Yeah, it's not visible. So you can apply different filters from here. You can make it easily. You can able to calculate with this. Let me move some other graph. See, right now here I'm not showing the graph that we have studied because adding the more new graphs are not available option right now due to the Microsoft Store issue. So it's okay. Let me measure the. Yeah, so we have checked the profit by CG and customer name. So here we are having the some customer, and yeah, the profit of the new city means uh, the customer name was given here. I don't know, but let me check. Yeah, so city name new city and Ani Odam, and the profit was 9242.26. So here we can also get the details like this. It was the richest person who is getting the more profit. So you can easily get it from here. Right now, yeah. So like For example, now let me move to the some another kind of things. Yeah, so here we are going with the new measures. So if you want to work with some calculation like linear regression and correlation coefficients, yeah. So here we are having the peak measure. So from peak measure, yeah, so as you can see here we are having the all type of properties available. Means mathematical operation in which here you are having the option of correlation coefficient, addition, subtraction, multiplication, month over month changes, and there are a lot of options that you can. So let's go with the correlation coefficient. Here we go with the city. We are doing I don't know, like, yeah. So yeah, because it is the summation means the whole summation is there. That's why it's not going to take on that. That's why you need to enter. You need to put this. Let's also check. Yeah. So this is it. Like, now you just need to take a look. Yeah. And here you are doing the calculated. Yeah. So as you can see, count on customer name in city category correlation for the city. So you can simply take it. And yeah, as you can see, we are having the. Yeah, you can get it easily with card, I think, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, see, one is the count of customer name and the product category correlation. See, this is how we can able to calculate. Let me add this data plot also. And from here, see, it's the calculated data, you can edit directly. Yeah, it takes 2 minutes and to load. Yeah, so these things we added very clearly and everything is over now. And yeah, similarly you can do it that. And here we are having all the data lines. Like means see here we are having the new visual. If you want to add a visual to a report, then you can easily edit from here. You can refresh from new measure. You can uh, see if you want to calculate any equation type of data, then you can easily calculate from here new measure. Yeah, so as you can see here, measure 2 is equal to, you can write your formula here and you can calculate it easily. So that was the tool for calculating the formula base, and the rest of part is very easy. Yeah, so now as you can see what we have calculated, the things are reflected here and our data was here. Yeah, so we have did this. Now if you want the report, yeah, also the one of the good facilities of this tool is publish the report online in the Power BI service. Means they can give you the ability, they can give you the permission to publish your report or data to their own Power BI service. It's just like C drive, means we are getting up the things, just similar to that. And from file here, like we are going to publish it. It's just similar to Microsoft Office, nothing more than that. Yeah, here we are going to export to PDF. So it will generate your report. It's going to generate is only page 2, maybe I think. If I'm not wrong, let's check. It is generating page. Yeah, it's loaded. You can see some that we have calculated is here. Yeah, it's not up in a format, but like it, you can mention it clearly. So this was the thing that we did, and yeah, it's very easy tool and very user friendly. You can easily get calculated your data here. Yeah. Thank you so much. I'm going to upload this video on YouTube. If you're having any doubt, if I will show it again. Thank you.